Welcome back to GhanaFuntube. Guess who we have on the channel today? Is cooking with Sindaco. Oh my god, let's get into the video. Welcome back to GhanaFuntube. What's up? Guess who I have with us? Cooking with Sindaco. Oh my god. So guess what? We're in Bristol, UK.
Yeah.
Guys, today's content is going to be like lit. Let's get into the video.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
Wow.
You're quite impressed, right?
Yeah. Everybody knows how to say accent. Yeah.
Probably on Wednesday or Thursday.
Okay,
yeah, check it out.
Yeah.
So we're driving to Bristol. The plan is, I don't want to reveal the plans to him, but don't worry, you'll get the plans, everything. He'll be able to take some pictures with Banksy. Banksy is like a local artist, like famous artist. So if you don't know much about Banksy, I want to get him a very nice picture. Probably that will be his thumbnail.
Oh, okay.
But this content is pretty amazing because I want him to explore something different.
Okay.
A bit of food and a bit of tour.
Yeah, okay.
So let's get in.
Yeah, sure. So
it's
it's £1. We need to pay before we get. Okay, this is the bridge.
Loading. Okay.
Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Card. Can you even record from outside your phone?
Man, this is dope. I wish I had a drone. Man, you guys should buy me a drone.
Tell them.
You guys should buy me a drone.
Get cooking with Sindaco a drone.
Yeah? You guys should get me a drone. Wow.
So it costs you £1
For entry.
Card not accepted. I need to activate that card.
Yeah, so this is what do you call suspension bridge in Bristol.
This is so amazing. So I'm going to drive slowly so that Sindaco can get a best area view of this iconic.
Mamma mia.
It's so beautiful.
Man, this deserves a drone shot. Mamma mia.
So beautiful, bro.
No, let's go. You drive no more.
Yeah?
Yeah, drive no more. Yeah. Wow.
So beautiful, bro. So amazing. So where we are right now, we are in one of the most expensive areas of Bristol. Okay. It's called Clifton.
Okay.
So I hope you guys enjoy the driving tour we're going to do, because while we're going to Bristol, I want to take a moment to show Isaac this part of Bristol as well. And please do us a favor, go on this link, donate, because we're using petrol. He drove all the way from Leeds to get here, so at least click on the link and donate. You donating help us to buy camera equipment, drones, batteries, memory cards. So please go on the link and donate to us.
Wow.
Right. So what I'll do, bro?
Ahima Chrome. This is Ahima Chrome. You find a parking over here, right?
Yeah, let's. I want to see if I can find somewhere
To park.
so that
Before we get fined. Oh, they even throw it away. Okay, go.
now you get a proper nice view of it. I'll park, please.
So this is one of the famous phone booths in the UK. Red color.
Red color. You don't see many these days, but
yeah.
Bristol have few. Yeah.
But I think London, there's more in London.
Oh, there's more in London.
Yeah.
So look at the view. Oh, I'll find somewhere to park so I can get.
how is it suspended? Because there's this land there. How is it suspended?
You get there.
Okay, okay.
And if you follow me on Instagram, you see I post sometimes from Ivy.
Okay.
So it's going to be amazing. I will stop actually so that Sindaco could actually get some bureaus for you.
Okay.
So just stay on. Let's enjoy Clifton. It's pretty amazing, bro. See the house prices here.
But they're not that exceptional. Like, look at this prison yard houses. How can this house be 650? Oh, because of the bridge.
This one's are even more than 650.
Because of the bridge. Oh man. No lake, nothing.
Like,
no river.
Crime rate in Bristol is low, so it's all those count. Look, here's Ivy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. The restaurant. Okay.
Do you want to get closer so that you can get actually? Can you see it?
Yeah, sure. Ivy.
Let me get you.
No.
This camera is so clear.
Yeah. Now this smallish cameras, that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's everything. For the vlogging, you don't need to you'll be holding that for the whole day, and at the end you muscle pool.
Muscle pool.
No, I'm muscle pool.
All right. So at the moment we are in Clifton Village. There's a Indian, like a Michelin star Indian restaurant behind us.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we can't do everything, but it's pretty amazing. And there's a Clifton sausage. Like all they do is they do everything. They do a fish sausage, they do pork sausage, they do lamb sausage.
Where?
Yeah, I'll take you there.
Okay, I'm gonna try that.
So can you see?
Yeah.
There's Clifton sausage. This.
Ah, okay.
This restaurant do everything. So they do like lamb sausage, fish sausage, pork sausage. It's pretty amazing.
Wow. That's not open yet.
I don't think so. But
That's normally 12 o'clock when they open.
All right. So now let's go to Bristol, bro. Please, you get some videos of our beautiful Clifton. A lot of celebrities live here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't know if you watch this. I don't know if you used to watch BBC. Is it where they count the numbers?
No, I'm not a fan of BBC. I'm not a fan of TV actually. Like, I don't watch TV. Yeah. I don't remember the last time I watched TV.
It's quite a unique place. You see?
Yeah, the coffee area.
Let me pause so that I can see the area. Look.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that.
Okay. You can tell from the perfume kind of zone.
Yeah.
It's just like going to Milan. If you hit Milan or in Italy,
yeah,
there's a zone, man. The whole place is
so beautiful.
Yeah, like
so picturesque.
Yeah. I don't know if they intentionally pour some perfumes around or not. It's crazy. Fuck it.
The roads are so small in Bristol.
All these views requires
drone.
Yeah. Because with drone you can have a lot scenes and are you not close to the right hand side? No. Or because you're turning?
Okay. Look at this view.
Wow. Italy mostly has its zones like that. You know, Italy Mafia land.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. Have you been there before? No.
I've been to not Ventimille. It's like closer to France.
Ah, France. Oh, okay.
I haven't actually been to Italy. Like,
you've not been there.
It's part of Italy, but I won't say
okay.
I went to Italy, but I entered Italy just for 3 hours. Yeah, I did a video there as well. Like, it's 3-minute video, but people actually like.
I think the houses over here are the same. Like they all, I've not seen the single kind of what do you call semi-detached.
No.
All this is a block kind of houses.
They are apartments. That's Bristol for you.
Okay.
So Bristol have, I think two universities.
Okay.
And one of the Bristol University is quite popular. It's quite famous.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite. I think probably one of the reasons why Bristol is very, very expensive as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because of the school.
Yeah. And also there's a famous ship, SS Great Britain.
Okay.
It's just down here. Hopefully maybe we'll get there so that I can take some B-rolls of the bridge. Wrong way. Yeah, there's the bridge. There's the boat. It's quite.
Okay.
It's a boat. Is a boat that transported, I think the first
slavery.
No, the first passenger ship in the world.
Oh, okay.
So this ship transport people from the UK
but it's
to
still
Australia.
Working?
No.
It's not.
Yeah. So it's like a tourist place now.
Okay.
I actually did a full video. So guys, I actually did a full video on my channel. So if you go on the channel and look for SS Great Britain, you get the whole tour of the bridge. Oh, I thought this guy.
It's not moving. It's not. Yeah. Fucked up with the hazard. UK driving and parking. Yeah.
All right. So we're going to pay. We're going to park now. Hopefully, we'll be lucky to get a car park. Do you like graffiti?
What is that?
Graffiti art, like painting, art painting.
Ah, no, I'm not. But when I'm not good in that. But
yeah,
if it's interesting, depending on the mood and everything.
Yeah, just look behind here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right. So let's park. Right, so the trick is I want to show cooking with Sindaco, one of the iconic painting on the planet.
Okay.
So when I say iconic, you know Banksy, you know the word Banksy. When you see Banksy, Banksy is like the artist that suddenly who paint in a unique location, but this one is the only, I think the first one and the iconic one. So stay on. Let me show a brother.
Okay.
Isaac cooking with Sindaco. This painting. Stay on.
I'm curious.
You're curious, right?
I'm curious, yeah.
And where we are right now, we are actually in Bristol City Centre. And I just want to kind of give him a glimpse of how Bristol graffiti art look like. So we're going to start with the smaller paintings. Then I will actually surprise him with that curiosity by showing him the famous painting in Bristol. All right, so this is just one of the painting. Voila, look at that upstairs, bro.
Whoa, okay.
You actually see it better from the top.
Yeah, from the top,
Yeah. So that's the most iconic.
Wow.
So I don't know if you know it. It's called the lady hanging from. So it's kind of actually telling you a story. So
Yeah.
I believe this is telling you that somebody is being sneaky and trying to hide.
Yeah.
So you can see it's amazing. I've did so many videos from here, and I can't wait to do more videos from here. It's a pretty amazing place.
So,
Did.
UK is known to be one
Like-
of the deadliest places when it comes to youth with stabbing knife. And you see, they say stop, no knife.
Crime.
Wow.
It's pretty amazing.
Wow, this is amazing.
It is amazing. As I was telling you, this is the most iconic painting of Banksy. Let me just pan the camera a little bit so that I can see where the painting actually is. Look at that painting. Is that not amazing? Beautiful.
Yes, £1.20. Here.
Thank you, man.
The captain over
So
here
if you watch my previous video, I actually put you guys on YouTube. Yeah, I do a lot of stuff from Bristol.
Have ideas for anything they're
You're right, mate. I'm just doing a video for my channel, GhanaFuntube. How are you doing today?
Oh, great day in Bristol. Beautiful.
You're actually in an amazing place.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Oh, greenhouse, sunshine.
What more can you want?
You can't ask for more,
Oh,
innit?
it's amazing.
Oh, it's amazing. I feel so lucky today.
Oh.
What's your name?
It's Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you.
I'm from Wrexham.
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 Oh,
yeah.
I'm Bristolian, not really local, but I've been here for 6 years.
Oh.
Yeah, so can you tell my viewers how Wrexham look like?
It's very nice. It's not as nice as this place.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have nice bars?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad?
Good nightlife, yeah.
Any plans for Bristol anywhere interesting later today? Or just
seeing the river again.
Yeah?
Yeah, we've been for a swim in the river and stuff like that. You mean?
don't get close to the river because a lot of nasty things happen.
Oh, yeah.
Still got the same boxes on as well.
Right, so I'm from Bristol, so let me give you a tip. If you're here, there's some amazing bars up there.
Up there, yeah?
Yeah, up there. And also, if you can go to Con Street, there's some nice bars down there as well. And also, if you go to the Millenium Square, there's a slug and lettuce. There's a lot of bars there as well. Where else can you go? Have you been to the St. Nick's Market?
I've been up there.
Oh, if you go down,
yeah,
there's a market, like a food market down there as well.
Okay.
There's a lot of pubs around there. And just look for Con Street. It's pretty amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh,
and if you do go up there, there's a lot of pubs there. Like, I don't know if you guys staying over tonight, but down there there's some crazy clubs. Yeah. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to appreciate that.
I hope you guys have a banging time.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. GhanaFuntube. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm just waiting for the boat to arrive. But while I'm here, let me see if I could speak to some locals to tell us what's happening in Bristol today. I think the boat is almost here. So let me see if I could talk to these locals. Hi guys, I'm doing a video for my channel GhanaFuntube. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Sunday.
Oh, it's just the most beautiful day, isn't it?
Very lovely.
Yeah. Will you mind just to tell my viewers something about Bristol, where to visit if somebody's visiting for the first time?
Come there. This is probably a nice spot.
Nice
Yeah.
Come to the harbour.
have
Yeah.
a picnic. There's lots of drinking areas around here. It's really fun.
You can get the small boat over that one there to the Great Britain.
Wow.
The other side, and then Clifton's also really nice.
Amazing.
Where there's Spencer Bridges. We've got really nice restaurants up there.
Oh, that's good.
nice.
What's your name?
Natalie.
And you?
Gracie.
Nice talking to you guys.
And you.
Thank you. That's amazing. I think we just need to grab the boat and let me show my colleague SS Great Britain because it's a pretty amazing place.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
GhanaFuntube.
Okay.
You know the country Ghana.
Yeah.
GhanaFuntube. Yeah.
Real.
I'll actually post the video probably on Wednesday or Thursday.
Okay.
Yes,
real.
check it out.
Keep an eye out.
Yeah. I just met this amazing Ghanaian here. So
Mama Sella.
Mama Sella. So if you're looking for Airbnb, if you're in Accra for a week,